Join me to find out the top 12 health risks we're all facing at work every day and see how to tackle them head on. You might be surprised by what's hiding in plain sight. Workplaces can sometimes seem like second homes, but hidden within our daily routines are risks that can seriously impact our health. In this video, we'll explore the top 12 health risks most people face at work and why being aware of them can make all the difference for your well-being. Did you know that long hours at your workplace, exposure to harsh chemicals, or even something as simple as bad lighting can lead to long-term health problems? Every day, millions of workers unknowingly expose themselves to risks that cause both physical and mental strain. And while these dangers might seem small, over time they can lead to chronic conditions like back pain, vision problems, and burnout. It's time we shine a light on these hidden dangers. Let's break it down. Here are the top 12 workplace health risks and how they affect us. Poor posture. Whether you're sitting at a desk, standing for long hours, or lifting heavy objects, poor posture can take a serious toll on your body. It can lead to chronic back, neck, and shoulder pain, reduced mobility, and even long-term joint issues. Practicing proper ergonomics, maintaining a neutral spine, and taking regular movement breaks can help prevent these problems. Harsh lighting. Too much artificial lighting or screen glare can cause eye strain, headaches, and even long-term vision issues. Use natural light and anti-glare screens to reduce the strain. Poor air quality. Indoor air pollution from dust, chemicals, or poor ventilation can lead to breathing difficulties, fatigue, and respiratory issues. Improving airflow and using air purifiers can help. If you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips to improve your health at work. And if you're enjoying this so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Now, let's get back to the list. Spread of infections. Working in close quarters increases the chance of spreading colds, flu, or worse. Encouraging sick leave and hand washing can minimise this risk. Lack of physical activity. Sitting all day without movement can cause weight gain, muscle weakness, and even increase the risk of heart disease. Incorporate standing desks and walking breaks into your routine. Noise pollution. Open offices or noisy equipment can lead to hearing damage, increased stress, and reduced concentration over time. Use noise-cancelling headphones or create quiet zones. Mental health strain. Feelings of isolation, burnout, or anxiety can often go unnoticed but have a profound impact on productivity and overall happiness. Developing a supportive environment and taking mental health days can help. Improper workstation setup. A poorly arranged desk can lead to neck strain, wrist pain, and reduced efficiency. Make sure your screen, keyboard, and chair are properly aligned to your body. Temperature extremes. Being too cold or too hot in the workplace can reduce comfort and focus while potentially worsening health conditions like arthritis. Ensure proper heating and cooling systems are in place. Exposure to hazardous chemicals. Cleaning agents, industrial chemicals, or even toner from printers can pose risks to skin, eyes, and lungs. Always use protective equipment and handle materials carefully. Inadequate hydration. Forgetting to drink water throughout the day can lead to fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Keep a water bottle handy and take sips regularly. Stress and poor work-life balance. Deadlines, heavy workloads, and workplace conflicts can cause stress, which not only affects mental health, but can lead to insomnia, high blood pressure, and heart disease if left unchecked. Also, when work spills over into personal time, it can lead to burnout, strained relationships, and health issues. Set clear boundaries to protect your time and well-being. The poor air quality one surprised me. The American Lung Association states that indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, up to 100 times in some circumstances. Check the link in the description below for more detail. This affects not just your lungs but your brain function, leading to reduced productivity and long-term respiratory issues. The good news? Simple steps like adding plants, investing in air purifiers, or improving ventilation can make a world of difference. So there you have it, the top 12 health risks hiding in plain sight at work. Thank you for watching. Recognizing these challenges is the first step to overcoming them. Whether it's adjusting your chair or reducing stress, small changes can lead to big improvements. What about you? Have you faced any of these risks at work? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the channel for more tips on creating a healthier, happier workplace.